Vistaprint.co.uk/TV.
So if you can get them to run it, well, especially Lola. Yeah, it does. It looks like a big wriggly worm, as they said.
I don't think she can hardly see it.
You'll love your TV shows.
Oh, she likes it when you get it right next to her foot, so she can see it and then she'll play with it.
Does what many TVs alone just can't, revealing more of the
Like she's doing now.
and music you've been missing. Experience this dramatically better TV sound with one connection, one solution. Choose our original Solo system or the new Solo 15 system and
Imagine a credit card that gives you real financial freedom. You can choose a payment date that suits you. There's a manageable credit limit and no annual fee. A card that can help you rebuild your credit rating. The Aqua Classic credit card gives you that freedom. Aqua will try responsibly to say yes, whatever your circumstances, even if you've been turned down for credit in the past, or if you're on a low income. So apply online today at aquacard.co.uk. Representative 35.9% APR variable. 18 years and over, subject to status, terms and conditions apply.